Greetings and welcome to tonight's forecast. I'm starting with Monday, June 25th, 2012. There are a number of high pressure areas located in the northwest corner as well as the Midwest region above Canada and Wisconsin, and also some down on the southwest corner. As far as low pressure areas, there are a number of those as well, including one over Montana and some over on the northeastern side. The differing pressures are caused by the unequal heating of the Earth's surface by the sun. When the sun's rays, radiation heat hits the Earth's surface, it creates a lot of energy, which there increases the heat of the molecules, and as the molecules get more and more energy, they become lighter and less dense, and they then rise, where they then cool off. And once they cool off, the energy in those molecules start to decrease, making them form closer together because they're not spreading out, which then makes them denser and they sink back again. Here comes the U.S. temperature. As you can see, the maximum temperatures on the left, in the Midwest southern range, we are having very hot temperatures today, in the hundreds even. And you don't cool off and get in the 80s until you're almost to Canada. So that's unfortunate because we're very, very hot. Good news is, when we do cool down, we do get into the 50s or 60s here in Wisconsin for sure. But unfortunately for Florida, they are still higher temperature range, but they do get down into the 70s and 80s at night, so they get a little reprieve. As you can see, the drought conditions are continuing. Not much rain in the Midwest, although we do see some rain in the northeast corners, as well as down in Florida and the coast, and up on the northwest coast as well. So they're receiving some rain, but if you look at the numbers, they're not receiving a whole lot. The most we have is right here in Florida with almost 6 inches of rain, so lucky for them. The rest of us are stuck with no rain. Rain occurs when the molecules of the air evaporate due to the heat and the sun's energy. They go up into the sky, and in order for them to form clouds and become rain, you're going to need a cooler air. Now, as you can see, we've had some very high temperatures, so the air is not cooling off very well. But once it does cool off, then the water can condense, the water vapor can condense into tiny drops of water. And if there are particles up in the sky, those drops of water attach themselves to particles of dust and soot and things like that to produce clouds. And once enough water vapor gets in the clouds and it cools enough so that the water vapor, the cold clouds are completely full, then it would then cause rain. But because of our temperatures, we are not seeing any rain in the Midwest. And so now we're testing to see if I can switch over and keep talking. That way it doesn't interfere with anything that I would like to say, and not have to continue to press to the next slide. So I'm just practicing that, and I guess I will stop now.